Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. Today I'm sharing our one-pot recipe for making kielbasa pasta with a spicy queso sauce. We slice smoked kielbasa and saute it with onions and garlic, add chicken broth, milk, tomatoes, and pasta, cook that all for 10 minutes, and then add cheese to make this queso sauce. It's super flavorful and it's a one-pot pasta meal that's ready to serve up to all the hungry people. It tastes as good as it looks. Let me show you how easy this is to make. Here's everything you'll need, and I've listed the recipe and the ingredients in the description box below. To start, chop about a half a cup of an onion. This is about a quarter of a large onion, and I'm going to give it a rough chop into pieces that are about a quarter to a half-inch thick. And this is a Vidalia sweet onion. I don't know about you, but these are so much easier on my eyes than the white onions. Next, slice up about a pound of kielbasa. Today I'm using this kielbasa smoked sausage from San Antonio. It's got hearty smokiness that adds a lot of flavor to this pasta dish. I'm slicing it on the diagonal into pieces that are about a quarter of an inch thick. Heat about 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil in a large skillet. Add the kielbasa and the onions and saute it over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onion is tender and the sausage is lightly browned. This is one of those recipes that is so good for weeknights or really any time that you want a meal on the table fast. We're going to get this on the table in less than 30 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir this for about 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of milk, and 1 can of your favorite Rotel tomato flavor, or for less heat you can use a can of diced tomatoes. And add 8 ounces of pasta. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of ground black pepper. And give this all a big stir. I know this looks like a lot of liquid, but we need to cook the pasta, and that is going to soak up a lot of this liquid. So are you thinking about making this? Hit the like button to let me know, and if you do make it, tell me how it turned out for you. Once it comes to a boil, cover and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, just until the pasta is tender and most of the liquid has been absorbed. Stir in a cup of grated cheese and stir it up. It's going to combine with the milk and the tomatoes to make the spicy queso sauce. Then sprinkle the rest of the cheese across the top. And then cover it and cook on low heat just for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. Top with parsley or scallions and serve. Hey, if you like this recipe, go ahead and hit the like button to let me know. And I'm going to link up my recipe for baked spaghetti up here for you. It's also super easy with layers of homemade meat sauce, cheese, and noodles. If this is your first time here, we share new recipes every week. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.